With the development of technology, things around us are also developing. New technology derives a new invention, which helps us live a better and comfortable life. We've observed a revolutionary development in computing technology over the last decade, and this technological advancement has started an era of smartphones, smart TV, and smartwatch. Smartwatches are quite a useful invention as it helps us to stay healthy as well as to become organized. Among many smartwatch producers, the name of Samsung is widely known for its better quality tech products. Dear viewers, today we've chosen the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more next tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 is a lightweight, comfortable and sleek smartwatch designed by the tech giant Samsung. It comes with a 1.2 to 1.4 inch Super AMOLED touch display, which would fit on the wrist perfectly. The case is made with high quality aluminum and the finishing of the case is excellent. It's designed with a 20mm changeable strap. You can change the color, pattern or design of the strap to change the look of your watch. The AMOLED display delivers 360 by 360 pixels resolution, which generates bright output in the round-shaped display. The watch is designed with a 1.15 GHz dual-core processor to ensure it works fast and smooth. It's got the Tizen operating system enabled, which is compatible with Android and iOS-enabled devices. It comes with a 0.75 GB memory to ensure the processor works fast to deliver smooth performance, and 4 GB storage will let you store your favorite music and other important files in your watch. The watch uses Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity that processes signals at 2.4 GHz rate, which ensures a smooth connection between your smartphone and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. The heart rate measuring accuracy of the smartwatch is commendable and provides a good insight into the health. It has got Bixby voice functionality. You could ask your watch to make a call or read a text, and many more. It comes with a 247 mAh battery that lasts for a long time once charged fully. It's time to look into the popularity of these amazing smartwatches and find out what others are saying about these pieces of technology. The smartwatch has got 4.6 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 4,532 user ratings on Amazon. It's loved by the users for style, touchscreen, durability, and battery life. Here are some real user comments. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "This is an amazing smartwatch. Get it, you won't be sorry." Now, complete with Alexa, this is a perfect alternative to an Apple smartwatch if you're an Android Samsung phone user. Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "The Galaxy Watch Active 2 is one of the best purchases that I've ever made in wearable technology. It delivers with more than adequate battery life, far superior comfort when compared to other products, a feature set that will appease most so-called geeks such as myself, and the availability to add more features and/or applications via the Galaxy App Store." A few people didn't find the watch useful. Among them, one person gave 1 star and wrote, "The watch is advertised as water resistant and able to take this watch in the pool and able to submerge the watch up to 5 feet for 30 minutes. But it was not water resistant." That's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.